Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use and set up your Airbnb privacy settings. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app and then go to your profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here at the account settings, the last option is going to be the privacy and sharing. And if you tap on it, here you have three different sections that you can use. The first one is manage your data, download your personal data or request to deactivate or delete your account. Third-party tools, choose how Airbnb shares your information with third parties. And sharing, decide how your profile and activity are shown to others. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to modify any of these options, you can just tap on them, enter that settings menu and change your preferences. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.